In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account in Xero. Whether you're tidying up your financial accounts or simply need to remove an old bank account, this process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, once you're logged into Xero, you'll want to look for the Accounting tab. You can typically find this on the main navigation bar. It's your go-to starting point for handling all things related to your financial data. When you click on this tab, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Chart of Accounts. This section is essentially your master list of financial accounts. It's the area you'll use to oversee and manage all of your accounts in Xero. Once you've entered the Chart of Accounts, you'll notice a list of all the accounts you currently have. Take a moment to browse through this list and locate the particular bank account you wish to delete. It's crucial here to ensure that you've selected the correct account. Double-checking at this stage can help prevent any accidental deletions, which could be troublesome to recover from later on. Once you're certain you've identified the right account, look towards the right side of the account listing. Here, you should find the option to delete the account. But before you proceed, I must emphasize the importance of confirming that you don't need any remaining data from this account. Keep in mind that once an account is deleted, it is final and might have impacts on your financial records. Deletion is irreversible, so having a backup or ensuring you won't need historical data is always a wise step. After you've chosen to delete the account, Xero will display a confirmation prompt on your screen. This is a crucial safety measure by Xero designed to verify that you actually want to proceed with the deletion. Carefully read through this prompt. It's a good time to reconsider if there are any lingering concerns about removing this account. If you're absolutely sure this is the right move, go ahead and confirm by selecting OK to continue with the deletion. And just like that, you've successfully deleted a bank account in Xero. While it's a fairly simple process, remember that it's essential to always examine any financial decisions thoroughly, as they can have long-term effects on your organization's accounting. If there's ever any doubt about whether or not you should delete an account, reaching out to a colleague or consulting with a financial advisor can be quite beneficial. I hope this guide was helpful for you, and as always, ensure that your financial data remains organized and that any unnecessary accounts are deleted with care. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.